1. Who discovered the smallpox vaccine? Answer is option B, Edward Jenner. 2. Which disease was the first to be eradicated globally by vaccination? Answer is option C, smallpox. 3. BCG vaccine is used to prevent which disease? Answer is option A, tuberculosis. 4. Who discovered penicillin? Answer is option B, Alexander Fleming. 5. The first polio vaccine was developed by? Answer is option B, Jonas Salk. 6. Which year was the WHO founded? Answer is option B, 1948. 7. COVID-19 disease is caused by? Answer is option C, SARS-CoV-2. 8. Who developed the rabies vaccine? Answer is option A, Louis Pasteur. 9. Which vaccine is given immediately after birth? Answer is option D, both A and C. H1N1 is commonly known as? Answer is option B, swine flu. 11. Rotavirus vaccine prevents? Answer is option B, dehydration from diarrhea. 12. MMR vaccine protects against? Answer is option A, measles, mumps, rubella. 13. Who discovered the tuberculosis bacteria? Answer is option A, Robert Koch. 14. Which vaccine contains a live attenuated virus? Answer is option B, OPV. 15. The first vaccine ever developed, 1796, was for? Answer is option C, smallpox. 16. DTP vaccine protects against? Answer is option B, diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis. 17. Which organization awards the red ribbon symbol? Answer is option A, HIV/AIDS awareness. 18. The founder of germ theory was? Answer is option A, Louis Pasteur. 19. Which disease is caused by a protozoan? Answer is option B, malaria. 20. The oral polio vaccine, OPV, was developed by? Answer is option B, Albert Sabin. 21. The first case of COVID-19 was reported in which year? Answer is option B, 2019. 22. Who discovered insulin? Answer is option A, Banting and Best. 23. The first mRNA vaccine developed was for? Answer is option C, COVID-19. 24. Which disease is also known as German measles? Answer is option B, rubella. 25. Yellow fever vaccine was developed by? Answer is option A, Max Thieler. 26. HPV vaccine is primarily used to prevent? Answer is option B, cervical cancer. 27. The vaccine for chickenpox is known as? Answer is option A, varicella vaccine. 28. Which disease is caused by the varicella zoster virus? Answer is option C, chickenpox. 29. Who discovered cholera bacteria? Answer is option A, Robert Koch. 30. The Bacillus calmette-guerin (BCG) vaccine was discovered in. Answer is option B, 1921. 31. Which vaccine is used to prevent tetanus? Answer is option B, TT. 32. The disease Ebola is caused by A. Answer is option A, virus. 33. Malaria is transmitted by which mosquito? Answer is option B, Anopheles. 34. Typhoid vaccine provides protection against. Answer is option A, Salmonella typhi. 35. Which vaccine is not part of routine childhood immunization? Answer is option B, rabies. 36. The founder of modern nursing was. Answer is option B, Florence Nightingale. 37. The structure of DNA was discovered in. Answer is option C, 1953. 38. The disease caused by Haemophilus influenzae type B, Hib, is. Answer is option A, pneumonia and meningitis. 39. Who discovered the malaria parasite? Answer is option A, Ronald Ross. 40. The first confirmed HIV/AIDS case was reported in. Answer is option C, 1981. 41. Which vaccine is a toxoid vaccine? Answer is option B, tetanus vaccine. 42. Which disease is caused by a retrovirus? Answer is option A, AIDS. 43. The dengue vaccine is known as. Answer is option A, Dengvaxia. 44. The first licensed Ebola vaccine was approved in. Answer is option C, 2019. 45. Who discovered the concept of antiseptic surgery? Answer is option A, Joseph Lister. 46. Which disease is transmitted by Aedes mosquito? Answer is option A, dengue. 47. Hepatitis B affects primarily which organ? Answer is option B, liver. 48. Rinderpest disease affected mainly. Answer is option B, cattle. 49. The first country to eliminate polio was. Answer is option D, Australia. 50. Which vaccine is stored at the lowest temperature, ultra cold? Answer is option B, Pfizer COVID-19.